Hello, multiple choice questions on system analysis and design part 2. I am Dr. K.K. Mishra from R classes. I have compiled this video tutorial in view of the examinations which are scheduled to be held very soon. Now, directly come to the question number 1. Dash is a sort of blueprint of the system development effort. Options are A. MDP, B. DMP, C. MPD, D. DPM. Correct option is A. MDP. Question number 2. Data stored in a DFD represents. Options are A. Sequential file, B. A disk store, C. A repository of data, D. A random access memory. Correct option is C. A repository of data. Question number 3. Dash system consists of programs, data files and documentation. Options are A. Conceptual, B. Logical, C. Physical, D. None of the above. Correct option is C. Physical. Question number 4. Dash is a good example of deterministic system. Options are A. Life cycle, B. Computer program, C. Software program, D. None of the above. Correct option is B. Computer program. 5. The main ingredient of the report documenting the dash is the cost benefit analysis. Options are A. System analysis, B. Feasibility study, C. System analyst, D. System design. Correct option is B. Feasibility study. Question number 6. A data flow can. Options are A. Only a data is stored, B. Only leave a data is stored, C. Enter or leave a data is stored, D. Either enter or leave a data is stored, but not both. Correct option is C. Enter or leave a data is stored. Question number 7. Changing the relationship with and services provided to customers in such a way that they will not think of changing suppliers is called dash. Options are A. Lock in customers, B. Lock out customers, C. Lock in competitors, D. Lock out competitors. Correct option is A. Lock in customers. A. Dash can be defined as data that has been processed into a form that is meaningful to the recipient and is of real or perceived value in current or prospective decisions. Options are A. Formation, B. Data collection, C. Internal data, D. Sample data. Correct option is A. Information. Question number 9. Increased volume of sales is an example of dash. Benefit. Reduction of bad debts is an example of dash. Options are A. Tangible, intangible, B. Tangible, tangible, C. Intangible, tangible, D. Intangible, intangible. Correct option is D. Intangible, intangible. Question number 10. A data cannot flow between a store and a store, second, a process, third, an external entity. Correct option here is A. First and third. 11. A dash system in no more than idea. Options are A. Conceptual, B. Logical, C. Physical, D. None. Correct option is A. Conceptual. 12. Design phase consists of 1. Identity the functions to be performed, 2. Design the input, output and file design, 3. Defining basic parameters for system design. Here correct combination of options is D. 1, 2 and 3. Question number 13. A context diagram. Options are A. Describe the context of a system, B. Is a DFT which gives an overview of the system, C. Is a detailed description of a system, D. Is not used in drawing a detailed DFT. Correct option is B. Is a DFT which gives an overview of the system. 14. HIPPO stand for. Correct option is hierarchy input process output. Now 15. Statement of scope and objectives, opportunities and performance criteria dash. Options are A. Problem definition, B. System analysis, C. System design, D. Documentation. Correct option is A. Problem definition. Question number 16. Information can be categorized into 1. Environmental information, 2. Competitive information, 3. Government information, 4. Internal information. Correct sequence is B. 1, 2 and 4. 17. System development process is also called as dash. Options are A. System development life cycle, B. System life cycle, C. Both A and B, D. System process cycle. Correct option is A. System development life cycle. 18. The output of problem definition stage is dash. A. Master development plan, B. Terms of reference, C. Feasibility report, D. Final product. Correct option is B. Terms of reference. Question 19. Advantages of system flow charts dash. A. Effective communication, B. Effective analysis. C. Quasiar group or relationship. D. All ABC. Correct option is D. All of the above. ABC. 20. Based on the identification of objectives, input, output and file content, the vital document is called. Options are A. System definition. B. System document. C. System requirement document. D. System subject. Correct option is B. System document. So this was all about this video tutorial. Another video tutorial will be coming up in due course of time. Thank you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button and pass it on to others who are needy now and in the future. Thank you. Best of luck.